Hey, JC's Adventures here at Worldwide RV. Today I got something extra special to show you because what we have done is we've taken a few units and discounted so much. If you're looking, this is the time to do it. This is the 2022 Eagle 295 BHDS. That stands for the bunkhouse model, and I'll show you that on the inside. But let's take a look at, again, what makes the Eagle from Jayco. First of all, you have the boat hull fiberglass. This does have the LED lighting. It is side and rear cameras already attached. You do have the gen prep underneath, and then here, obviously in your under storage, that is a complete pass-through. This right here will hook up to the Jayco, the grill system, so you can go in, and then of course you do have gas on both sides. This does have the step above steps, which will fold up in, again, keeping you compressed. As always, you guys, this is the vacuum bonded walls where a 144 ton press will seal it for 16 to 18 minutes, so we don't have delamination issues and we simply don't have water issues. As you come around, as always, this is a 4-season trailer. It is warranted for full-time RVing. You guys, when I get to the price of this is where you're going to be the most excited. This is something that you can take either full-time or you're just cross-country, and again, at a great value. We are running the Goodyear tires, and what makes this thing exceptional is the outside kitchen. Again, I told you about the griddle, does go to the quick connect, but you have an outside refrigerator and a sink. But this one has even more storage than most. So as you come around, you have the outside storage, which is good from the side and the back, and again, the rear view camera is already there. Ours do have ladders because we do have a walkable roof. It will withstand 4,500 pounds. We've actually got pictures. You can go to the Jayco website where trees have fallen on top of them and never entered the coach itself. But now what I want to do is I want to show you the inside because that really is the part that you're interested in, right? So let me show you, come on. Take a look inside. So as you're looking around, notice the overall room that this has, and this does have a hidden pantry in it. So as you come in, take a look at how big this really is. Again, fully walkable, plenty of storage for everything. You have the coat rack, and then when you shut it, this is your TV area, which is directly across from your theater seating. As you can see, this has a nice wood paneling. This is your refrigerator and of course your freezer. Does come with an oven, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, and the vents. Again, the mirror right here is going to give you depth, so all of this opens up. But when you do have your kids, or if you just need storage, that's what this area is. Again, as always, our drawers will hold 75 pounds, and our double bunks, which this are, will hold 600 pounds each, giving you plenty of storage. All the lights are LED, and as you come through here, again, you do have the drying rack, there's a cutting board, you have a double sink. Take a look up here, you guys. Queen size bed, full walkable closet, and then again, take a look underneath. If you guys are shopping for fifth wheels or travel trailers, you're going to notice under here that they're using particle board or OSB. We simply don't do it. Everything is actual plywood because we want to make sure that the quality's there, and that way, at any time, boom, you don't have to worry about breaking it. You do have 2 air conditionings, and then take a look inside of the bathroom. They've done a nice blue accent in here, specifically just to give you some variety. You do have a full-size medicine cabinet, and again, walkable shower. You guys, what's really nice about this unit, and I'll take you down to the mainstream, you do have a J-Command system where you have a computer breakdown of everything inside of the unit, so you can control your awning, your ACs, everything that there is. Now, the last part. Probably the most important part for why you guys are watching. You have a 2-year warranty with us. That's 730 days. This had an MSRP of $90,000. This is on sale for $49,995. They are going to add freight and prep, but you guys, $50,000 for a $90,000 trailer, it's not going to last. It's a special unit. And again, my JC with JC's Adventures. Have a great day.